It is that pandemic time while everyone is working from home. Teacher is teaching online, student is learning online, so everyone is online. But while you are learning online, while you are teaching online, or while you are working anything online, you want to record that work, you want to record that study. How you can record that? You have to download plenty of software. I have a separate video that tells that which software you can use and you can record your screen. But I have one more solution, quick solution, easy solution, very less time taking solution, and no software download solution. In this solution, if you use this solution, you can record your screen. What screen you can record? You can record your work, you can record your meeting, you can record your chat to any other employees, any other student. So everything you can record with this tool. And let's jump to the PC screen while I will explain over there. So in Google, you need to search Loom screen recorder, and you need to click the first link that says Loom screen recorder. Say it hello with Loom. Now this is a free tool that lets you record the PC screen. Only you need to download a Chrome extension, and you will freely record your screen over the PC using your face cam. Also you can do it quickly. Register it, enter your email, first name, last name, password, and all. Like this, I need to press continue. If I press continue, then it will take to me a next page. So it is loading. As you can see, it took me to the next step, and here the main point is that you need to verify your email ID. So which email ID you have, you need to verify. I got the link and I have verified, and now it is asking what will be the use for personal use. Who do you want to share video with? I am sending video to my friend or family, or I am making it for hobby. I choose for hobby. Now two options I have. One is download desktop app, another is download a Chrome extension. I will go for Chrome extension. I have pressed that button, Chrome extension button. Now there is Chrome extension available, name is Loom for Chrome. Add to Chrome button pressed, and add extension button pressed. Now it will add a extension in my Chrome browser, and the name will be Loom for Chrome. So using that extension, here you can see that the extension is already downloaded. Using that extension of Loom, you can record your videos easily, you can record your screen easily. So dismiss this. Now you need to go with this button, and let's see how to do that. New folder will keep you everything in the new folder. Okay, now close this, come to this button. Now this is the tool browser button, so I chose the Loom for here. Now you want a screen cam, then you need to start recording. Screen cam means here you can see my face is coming. Screen only means only my screen will come, my desktop, my PC screen will come. And if I start record, then the PC screen will be record without my face. So here I press the start record. I choose what screen you want to record. I want to record the entire screen. Share button pressed, and now 3 2 1 and my recording starts. On the bottom you can see that it is recording your screen. Stop sharing if you ask, then it will
let's see what happens.
Stop sharing if you put, then it will stop the share button. Now the recording is already done. Here you can check out the video.
And this screen recording is being done with Loom, and I have done some audio also. Let's see what happens.
If you like this kind of informational technical videos, you can stay subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have different videos like this. I hope this video is also helpful for you. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.